Good day everyone, welcome to Pip Fanta. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in the forex industry: how to build your first trading plan even as a complete beginner. Let's dive into it. The easy reason most traders fail. Most beginners think they fail because of bad strategies, but the real reason is simpler. They don't have a plan. They open chart, see something that looks good and click buy or sell. No rules, no structure, no consistency. And without a plan, every trade becomes emotional. A trading plan is not something advanced traders use. It's something beginners need even more. What trading plan really is? A trading plan is not a document to impress people. It is a set of rules you follow when you trade. It tells you when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk, and when to stop trading. Without a plan, you don't know if a trade was good or bad. You only know if you won or lost. With a plan, you know if you follow your rules, and that is what matters. Why do you need a trading plan before you trade? Imagine driving without knowing the destination. You may move, but you won't arrive anywhere. That is how trading feels without a plan. You react to every candle. You chase moves. You change your mind halfway. A plan removes guessing. It replaces emotion with decisions, and decisions are repeatable. The first part of a simple trading plan. You don't need anything complicated. Every beginner trading plan needs only 4 things. 1. Market to trade. That is to show you the pair you want to trade. You can choose at least only one pair, Euro USD for example. Then 2. When you enter, your setup or conditions are there in line. 3. When you exit, which are your stop losses and your take profit. 4. How much you risk, 1% less per trade. That is it. If one of these is missing, you are not trading, you are experimenting with money. Why simplicity wins? Most people overcomplicate their plans. They add 10 indicators, multiple strategies, too many rules, then they forget everything during live trading. A good plan is simple enough to remember when you are emotional. If you can't explain your plan in 1 minute, it is too complex. The real purpose of a trading plan. Your trading plan is not meant to make you rich. It is meant to make you consistent. Consistency builds discipline, confidence, and control. And those 3 create profitability. Without consistency, even a good strategy will fail. Why most people never stick to their plan? Here is the truth. Most traders write a plan, then ignore it. Because following rules is boring. Breaking rules feel exciting. But excitement is the enemy of profit. The market rewards boring behavior. The moment you feel this trade is special, you are already in danger. How to start your first plan today? Don't wait for perfection. Start with 1 pair, 1 setup, 1 risk level. Write it down even on your phone and treat it like law, not suggestion, not ideas, but rules. The long-term advantage of this is, when you have a plan, you stop revenge trading, you stop over-trading, you stop blaming the market, you start improving instead of guessing, and improvement compounds, and that is how real traders are built. Always remember, a trading plan won't make you rich overnight, but it will save you from years of confusion. If you want to trade like a professional, start acting like one. Plan first, then trade second. Know that without a plan, every trade is a gamble. Subscribe to Pip Vanta and learn how to trade with logic, not emotion.